SEO was easy back in the day. You made your website keyword rich and you would get ranked. Nowadays, it's much more different because of the competition. SEO stands for search engine optimization, and it's the process of getting your website ranked on the first page of Google. This is essential so you can get organic traffic that you don't have to pay for in the future. So that's why I'm here to tell you how to get your content ranked, how to get your website ranked, thanks to these simple SEO techniques. The first technique that I'm going to talk to you about, and maybe the most fundamental, is talking about backlinks, and more importantly, replacing broken backlinks. Now, backlinks are votes from other websites where basically they put a link to your site, and this link generates authority in the mind of Google. So you can check for broken links, and you can check for your backlinks using softwares such as Google Webmaster, which you can get for free. And to find these broken backlinks, all you have to do is go to relevant, trustworthy websites you want to associate yourself with and check for broken links. You can put add-ons onto Google Chrome, and these should help you do it. Once you find any broken links, you should contact the owner of the website and try and convince them to replace the broken link with a link leading to your website. Having this external link will not only help your business, but their business too. As when someone links out to a related domain, it not only helps the search engine to understand their niche, but also helps to increase the trust and quality of their site, which can convince them to replace the broken link. Another way you can get your page ranked is through using content. You've probably heard almost everyone say this, but I'm going to explain it a little bit more clearly. An example of this is the case study done by Reboot Online a couple of months ago. They created 10 new and extremely similar websites from scratch. 5 of these websites used pictures they had taken themselves, but the remaining websites used generic images. After a small time, it was shown that the 5 websites using unique content ranked significantly higher than those with stock images. This goes on to prove my point that unique content leads to higher search rankings and interaction. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's get on to my third tip for ranking higher on Google. If you ever search for something on Google, you'll notice that there is a link as well as a small description underneath every website. Now answer me this. If you search for men's trainers and men's trainers didn't come up in the description or the titles, would you click on it? Would you click on that website? The answer is no. Why would you click on a result that didn't give you what you were looking for? If you don't have the keywords in the title or description, you won't come up anywhere near the first page. There are anomalies to this because some websites have a really good backlinking structure and they can somehow get away with this. But this is a basic tutorial, so you want to make sure that your meta description and titles are solid. You want to include your keywords so you can get the higher click-through rate. It's not as easy as it sounds. You want to engage your users so you don't just want to spam keywords, and otherwise your visitor will click off your website straight away. You still need to include keywords, but you need to make it easy to read. If it's not going to be easy to read, then no one is going to stay on your website. You need to give Google plenty of context about your page, and the best way to probably do this is use LSI keywords. LSI keywords are words and phrases that Google sees as similar in meaning or relevant to a target keyword. For example, if I search for superheroes, the LSI keywords would be keywords such as Spider-Man or Superman. When Google sees LSI keywords on your page, it makes them more confident that your page is about the topic people are searching for, therefore increasing your rankings. Another option I have for you is using Google Search Console. Google gives you a tool that teaches you how to rank number 1. It's called Google Search Console. If you're not already using it, make sure to sign up straight after watching this video, right? And yeah, be sure to like and subscribe as well. That's 2 things that you've got to do. But it's free, so it's important that none of you guys are missing out. I don't have the words to explain just how important Google Search Console is when used and applied properly. Once you're using Google Search Console, give it a few days. It needs to collect data to get going. Once you start using the console, you can see a screen that shows you search engine analytics. This can show you all the pages on your website and get you traffic. Yeah, just get you traffic to whatever the pages are most popular. The console also shows you which articles of yours are being seen and clicked through, as well as how many are being seen and clicked on. If you are getting a click-through rate of 5%, you should consider yourself lucky, because usually most pages don't even get a click-through rate of 5%. So about 3 steps and 3 key tips on how you can do basic SEO for your website. It's been a beginner's tutorial. I have a more advanced video. I wanted to keep this one short and sweet, and you can go watch that advanced video as well. It's about 16 to 20 minutes long, right? So you can watch that. We have a course coming up as well. We've got a live case study with Comfy Grass, so be sure to watch that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.